Hello friends, I'm Nayashik from blogdude.com, and in this video I'll show you how you can set up your FTP account with Filezilla. Setting up your FTP account is really easy and very helpful. It will allow you to upload your files on your server, on your web server. So let's do that, and let's see how to do that. First you will need to install Filezilla. So just type and search for Filezilla on Google. You'll see this page. This first website is filezillaproject.org. Click on that and select any one of these. If you're using Windows, if you're using for any one of these. Okay, so I'm using Windows. I'll click on this link. Again, click on download Filezilla server. Now you can open that and install the software. I already did that. So what I'll do, I'll directly open Filezilla because I have already installed it. Okay, so when you install it, this is how you will see. Now go to your, cut this thing first. Now go to your cPanel. So if you don't know how to go to your cPanel, don't worry. Just type in your website name. For example, for me, it is blogdude.com. And after that, just put a / and type in cPanel. Okay, so this is same. The steps which I'm showing you are same for any web hosting. So whether if you're using HostGator, InMotion, TMD, Bluehost, whatever hosting company you're using, these steps are all the same. You have to repeat the same step and it will help you. Okay, now put in your username and password. You might have got this in your email when you first signed up with your hosting company. Now click on login. Okay guys, so this is the cPanel, and because I said you earlier that the steps will be same for any different hosting company, is that the reason behind that is that all of the hosting company use the cPanel, okay, which is the same thing. You see the same options over there. Now here you'll have to find for FTP accounts. Here it is. Okay, so you have to click on FTP accounts. Now scroll down. Now here you will see some FTP accounts which are already made. Now you will have to select this one. Okay, it will have your username over here. So I have my username over here. This is the FTP, the main FTP account. Okay, now besides that you will see this option which says configure FTP client. Click on that option. Now scroll down. You'll have three options. First one is Filezilla, and under that you have two options. You'll have to click on the first one which says FTP configuration file, and right click on that and click on save link as. I am saving this on my desktop and click on save. So once you're done that, open your Filezilla. Now click on file, and here you'll see different options. Now you have to click on import. Now select the file which you just downloaded. So I have that file on my desktop. This is the one. Select that file, click on open, click on OK. Okay, the selected categories have been imported. Click on OK again. Now again click on file and click on site manager. Now you'll see that this thing is present. So this is the one which we just downloaded. Now earlier what used to happen, you have to put in all this host name, port name, username and all these things, but that is not happening, which is good. You just import it and everything is done for you. Now what you have to do, you have to just if you don't want to put in your password again and again, you can just select normal and put in your password at once, or you can select ask for password. Now whenever you want, you will try to connect, it will ask you for your password and you have to put in the password of your cPanel. Okay, so this is the password through which you access your cPanel. That is the password that you will have to put. Okay, now once you're done, select that and click on connect. Put in your password over here and click on OK. Again click on OK. Oh yes, so as you can see, now you can access your cPanel, you can access your server from here. You have all the files. Now don't play around with all these things. You'll see this public HTML. Just import and export things over there if you want to do anything with this. Or if you have created some subdomain or different websites, then you'll see, for example, I've created many like this. So I have created this website giftonics.in and different websites, so you'll see all those options over there. Okay, so if you want to make any changes to that website, if you want to upload any file in that website, you can upload that in that folder. Okay guys, so I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys now know how to install Filezilla, how to configure it the easy way. If you guys have any problem, please let me know in the comment section below so that I can help you. If you guys find this video helpful, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also give a thumbs up to this video, and share this video with your friends. That would really help me. I would really appreciate that. Thanks a lot for watching guys. See you soon.